and welcome to Legacy IS Academy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Mount Etna, which is an active volcano on the eastern coast of Sicily in Italy. Okay? So before we understand into and delve into about Mount Etna and what kind of volcanic eruption it was, we are going to study something with respect to the volcanic eruption itself. ये volcanic eruption आखिर होता ही क्यों है? This is obviously a geographical phenomenon wherein subduction of one kind of plate leads to the magma movement beneath another plate. जब दो प्लेट एक दूसरे के पास आते हैं और टकराते हैं तो one of the plate which is denser starts moving below and the plate which is lighter floats above. अब ऊपर के प्लेट में दो तरीके की चीजें हो सकती है. One, it can start to fold, that leads to formation of fold mountains. But those places that are remaining fixtures, that are having fixtures, जहां faults रह जाते हैं, these are the places where the volcanic eruption begins. So any kind of volcanic eruption होने के लिए we need a condition that is subduction. जब एक प्लेट के नीचे दूसरा प्लेट subduct होता है, तो that leads to folding on the other side. जो lighter plate होगा, this will start to fold. That leads to formation of fold mountains. For example, Himalayas are examples of fold mountains. Similarly, Italy में एक fold mountains है by the name Apennines. ठीक है? So we do have fold mountains which is taking place because of subduction. Now, which plate is responsible for this? There is the African plate which is getting subducted under the Eurasian plate. ठीक है? So because this is getting subducted, तो यहाँ formation of एक fold mountains हो रहा है. But apart from this, apart from the fold mountains, there are formations of volcanic eruptions as well. ठीक है? So usually जिस areas में fold mountains होते हैं, they do have volcanic mountains as well. For example, Himalayas के लिए भी we do have Karakoram as there are certain passive volcanoes or dormant volcanoes in Himalayan region as well. ठीक है? So इस तरीके के fold mountains plus volcanic eruption are present together. Conditions we understood: subduction leading to fold mountains and the volcanic eruptions should be done. They usually takes place along the fold mountains as well. ठीक है? But इस तरीके का volcanic eruption जब भी होता है, whenever such kind of volcanic eruption takes place, it leads to release of gases. So this process in geology is also known as degassing. Why degassing? क्योंकि अंदर में मैग्मा के साथ बहुत तरीके के गैसेस होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, इनफैक्ट वाटर वेपर एज वेल, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड और बहुत सारे ऐसे वॉलेटाइल ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स होते हैं दैट गेट्स रिलीज्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एशेस. ठीक है? इसलिए आप देखोगे किसी भी एरिया में वेरेवर वोल्केनिक इरप्शन इज टेकिंग प्लेस, इट यूजुअली लीड्स टू एसिड रेन. द प्रेसिपिटेशन विल लीड टू एसिड रेन. क्यों? क्योंकि सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड इज एडेड इनटू द एटमॉस्फेयर. अब when this sulfur dioxide mixes with water, it gets precipitated in the form of sulfuric acid, which is an acid rain. So that leads to acid rain in and around that volcanic mountain. अब ये acid rain कितना ज्यादा strong है, it of course depends upon the acidic concentration as well. ठीक है? So that was about the volcanoes in general. But talking about the Mount Etna specifically, this is an active volcano. एक्टिव और डॉर्मेंट वॉल्केनो के बीच में डिफरेंस इज 10,000 years. If a volcano did not erupt for more than 10,000 years, we are calling them as dormant volcano. But Etna के साथ क्या है? It has erupted very frequently. 5-7 years, 10 years के गैप पर ही बहुत ज्यादा frequently ये erupt होता रहा. ठीक है? So because its eruption period frequency has been less than 10,000 years, तो इसलिए we call this as active volcano. Mount Etna, as we discussed, is located on the east coast of Sicily. ठीक है? Sicily itself is the largest island on the Mediterranean Sea, जो पूरी की पूरी इटली के बॉटम में पड़ता है. ठीक है? This is Sicily and this is the African plate which is pushing this. ठीक है? This is the Eurasian plate. इन दोनों के बीच में एक छोटा सा प्लेट है, that is the Adriatic microplate. ठीक है? So now the African plate, because this is denser, this is getting subducted. और ये जो यूरेशियन प्लेट या एड्रियाटिक माइक्रोप्लेट है, यहाँ पे we are witnessing the formation of fold mountains. So all of this region is full of fold mountains. ठीक है? And we have, because this microplate ends up here, so we have Mount Etna in that part of Sicily, which is the consequence of this subduction leading to volcanic eruption. ठीक है? This Mount Etna is also UNESCO's World Heritage Site. ठीक है। नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट कि अब जो यहाँ पे वोल्केनिक इरप्शन हुआ, थैंकफुली देयर वाज नो लॉस ऑफ लाइफ, ठीक है, एंड वेरी फ्यू प्लेन्स वेर आल्सो डाइवर्टेड, बहुत ज्यादा डैमेज नहीं हुआ टू लाइफ एंड प्रॉपर्टी बिकॉज द कंट्री इटसेल्फ टुक मेजर्स precariously. Before the event took place itself, the entire region was evacuated and the flights were diverted, तो वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा लाइफ एंड प्रॉपर्टी का डैमेज नहीं हुआ. बट this volcanic eruption was a very very strong volcanic eruption. तो इसलिए यहाँ पे हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट ये हो जाता है that we need to study what are the types of volcanic eruption. If we talk about the types of volcanic eruption, there are four major types. The first one is Hawaiian, and when we move from the first to fourth, जो acidic concentration of lava होगा ना, lava is actually magma which has come to the surface, ठीक है. So lava का जो acidic concentration होगा which that tends to increase. That means Hawaiian volcano में the acidic content is minimum, ठीक है. It is basic lava और silica का content minimum होता है. This is basic in nature, ठीक है. Now because this is basic in nature, lava का nature ही basic है और इसमें silica का content भी कम है, तो ये viscous नहीं होता है. It's turbulent, it's fluid, it floats. और rather ये जहां पे भी eruption होगा उससे बहुत दूर जाकर के बहेगा, ठीक है. तो that also means कि Hawaiian eruptions जो होते हैं, these eruption results into damage to long distances. बहुत दूर जाकर के भी, क्योंकि ये मैग्मा बहुत दूर चला जाता है, लावा बहुत दूर चले जाता है, so it causes damage to a large distance also, ठीक है. If it is able to reach to inhabited places, किसी भी volcano के लिए this is true. The amount of damage that a volcano is going to cause, it totally depends upon कि इस volcano से कितनी दूर human habitations हैं, ठीक है. Talking about the Hawaiian lava, these are effusive in nature. Effusive कहने का मतलब ये धीरे 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 करके निकलता रहता है. In fact, they come out of long fissures. Long fissures मतलब इनका एक chain नहीं होगा. There will be no mountain-like structure wherein this lava gets erupted. This will be erupted along a long chain. So these are effusive in nature. ठीक है? And जिस point पे lava eruption होगा, there you can see a fire fountain. ठीक है. In Hawaiian eruptions, fire fountains are common, and because the lava is fluid in nature, silica का content कम है, it is less viscous, so it can travel to long distances. ठीक है. Moving on to the next one, this is the Strombolian eruption. और Mount Etna का eruption has been classified by some of the geologists as a Strombolian eruption. Now, what is a Strombolian eruption? Remember, as we discussed, कि from first to fourth, so Hawaiian में सबसे कम सिलिका कंटेंट और सबसे ज्यादा बेसिक लावा होगा, but slowly and slowly the silica content continues to increase और ये लावा एसिडिक होते चला जाएगा. As and when the lava turns out to be acidic, तो ये क्या करता है कि ये माउंटेन के टॉप में डिपॉजिट होते जाता है. It becomes viscous and it doesn't flow and it tries to block the emission point itself. जहां पे eruption हो रहा है उसी जगह को पॉइंट ब्लॉक करने लगता है because this is not ready to flow. ठीक है. So talking about the Strombolian eruptions, ये इसमें क्या होता है कि there is a huge amount of gas which gets trapped और जब ये gas close to earth surface आता है तो ये बहुत ज्यादा अमाउंट में एक साथ निकल जाते हैं. This is just exactly what happens when you open a Coke bottle. तो जो fizz निकल करके आता है, these are the trapped gases जो मैग्मा के साथ ऊपर तक ट्रेवल करके आते हैं. Now because as and when they come close to the earth surface, so then they push open the earth surface and burst out. ठीक है. And it reaches few heights of few meters. ठीक है. This leads to formation of lava lake. Why lava lake? Because as we discussed, जैसे जैसे ये acidity बढ़ते चली जाएगी, सिलिका कंटेंट बढ़ता चला जाएगा, its mobility, turbidity और viscosity, its movement will continue to reduce. तो ये जहां रहेगा वही deposit हो जाएगा. That leads to formation of lava lakes. ठीक है. The third kind of eruption is the volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption में because now the lava has started turning out to be more and more viscous. तो जब आप eruption देखोगे तो you will not find lava in air. क्यों? क्योंकि ये ज्यादा thick है, ज्यादा viscous है और ज्यादा mobile नहीं है. ठीक है. So what will you find? You'll find carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, volatile organic compounds, all of them flowing in air. But हवा में बहुत ही छोटे से portion में magma या lava दिखाई देगा. ठीक है. Explosion of plug of lava itself, surface के नीचे lava ही बंधा हुआ है and that pushes open this surface. ठीक है. As we discussed, the magma is very very viscous और silica content tends to increase. This is now acidic in nature. ठीक है. And this is the, I would say, second largest, most explosive in nature. That's the Vulcanian eruption. But the most explosive in nature is the Plinian eruption. Or Mount Etna के केस में some of the geologists have classified it as Strombian eruptions, and some of them have classified it as Plinian eruptions. So what is Plinian eruptions? As you can see, huge amount of gases, ashes, water vapor, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, volatile organic compounds are released in air such that it reaches up to kilometers. 50 kilometers तक के हाइट तक ये लोग उड़ जाते हैं और वहां पे they will create a mushroom cloud. ठीक है. Eruption column is shaped like a mushroom. That is specific to Plinian eruptions. ठीक है. And as we discussed, इसका जो magma होगा, this is most acidic in nature and it is extremely viscous with highest amount of silica. ठीक है. This is the largest and the most explosive out of the four things that we have studied, or the four eruptions we have studied. सबसे ज्यादा eruptive is the Plinian eruption. So those were the four kinds of eruptions, जिसमें कि कुछ geologists का कहना है कि Strombian is this was a Mount Etna was a Strombian eruption, and कुछ geologists का कहना है that this was a Plinian eruption. ठीक है. So with that we come to the end of this topic. If you have any doubt, please do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much and all the very best.